Under Field Map, click the Formation Name field. Leave the Merge rule set to First. The box underneath indicates that this field gets its value from Mount Rushmore geology. Click the Add New Source drop-down, which opens a pop-up field selector with the layers on the left and their fields on the right. In the pop-up, select Hill City Geology. Check the Formation 1 field and click Add Selected. On the left, click the unit field name. On the right, click Add New Source, select Hill City Geology, check the Formation _ field, and click Add Selected.